Gavana ma Kisumu ngire Peter Nyang'nyong singo nikruok osetime yorno makare ka arita kwe bende osejiw e kaunti ma Kisumu motelo ne tuke mag CECAFA mibago e kaunti ma Kisumu kaachiel gi Kakamega. Kano wuoyo gi jofwambo Nyong'o puoyo okang' mar miyo kaunti no thuolo mar bago tukego kokwayo johera mag adhula mondo owuog kar rombgi mar pako tim Kenya.
I wish to take this opportunity to welcome to Kisumu all the teams participating in this tournament and their officials. The tournament kicks off tomorrow at the Jomo Kenyatta International Stadium from midday, and I want to confirm that the facility is ready for these games. Mr. Namwamba and I will be there to watch the opening matches between Somalia and Rwanda and Kenya versus Sudan. I also wish to assure all guests that Kisumu is safe and their security is guaranteed. I appeal to the people of Kisumu to accord a friendly welcome, as usual, to all the visitors and turn up in large numbers to watch the matches and cheer our national team.